Hello and welcome to Goa 365's News Now. I am Subhashish and these are the headlines. Chaos erupts outside Mopa Airport as taxi operators protest against a significant hike in parking fees. MLA assures solution. FDA raids interstate buses yet again at Mapsa KTC. Sees unlabeled paneer and other milk items. Slight lull in monsoon activity over the state with sunny skies taking over in between. IMD maintains yellow alert until the weekend, warning of rain and strong winds. And now for the news in detail. Chaos erupted at the Mopa airport on Tuesday as taxi operators staged a protest against a significant hike in parking fees imposed by the GMR Group, the airport's management company. The fee for taxi parking has been raised from Rs 80 to Rs 200 effective from July 1st, sparking outrage among the operators.
आमच्या सीएमान काल जो हेंचो GMRचो CEO आहा सेशन सर तेका फोन केल्लो खंय हे जे फील गोवा पार्किंगेन 200 रुपया आहा ते खंय तरी पयली सारकी रेट कर म्हण. जर हे आमच्या सीएमान जर मान दिना जाल्यार हे भायले मनीस आमकां जाय कित्याक?
Anticipating unrest, a large contingent of police personnel was deployed at the airport to maintain order and prevent any disruptions. The protest saw taxi operators gathering at the airport expressing their anger over the sudden and steep increase in parking charges.
हांगा कितें जालें हांगा गेट ब्लॉक केली गेली GMRचेर गेट ब्लॉक केली गेली हेवी पुलीस फोर्स हांगा डिप्लॉय केल्लो आहा हे लोकलांचो आवाज बंद करची गरज ह्या केल्ली दादागिरी जाता हांगासर तेचेर पळोवपाचें मिडियान सीएम सर ही फोर्स जी आहा न्हू ती बऱ्या कामाक यूज कर खंय तरी हे जाता पळय चोरये बिरये जाता तेका यूज कर लोकांक त्रास करपाक न्हू आयज GMRाक 135 रुपयान गव्हर्नमेंटान जमीन घेतली आनी 200 रुपया भाडे चार्ज करता तो टोटल इनजस्टिस केल्लो हांचेर खंय तरी लोकलांचो
लोकल म्हणल्यार आमकां कांयच बेनिफीट ना जॉब ना टॅक्सीत बिझनेसान बेनिफीट खंयच ना. 80चे तुमी 200 केल्यात 50चे 250 डायरेक्ट केल्यात. अरे कितें समजता जीवमारान निघतो घेतलो सगळो गोवा मेन कितें गव्हर्मेंट डायरेक्ट त्या मोहीन गुंतवणुकीच्या सपोर्टान डायरेक्ट गव्हर्मेंट विदाउट बेस गाडयो चलयता आणि आमकां खंय विदाउट बेस सापडलो 10,000 फायन दिता आणि जर ती गव्हर्मेंटाची आसली जाल्यार ताका फ्री सोडटा. हे खंयचो रूल आणि मेन कितें टुरिस्ट
आयज गोंयान क्रायम जाता आणि हे पुलीस आमच्या फाटल्यान जो क्रायम करता तेच्या फाटल्यान ना मरे
गार असं गाव डेमोलिश केलं पळय थंय पोलीस पोस्ट नासलो. आता आमच्या आमकां हांगा भितर येवपाक पोलीस पोस्ट आमी कळते का पाळ घेवन येवंक ना. आमी हे सिंपल येयला आमच्या हक्काक लागून येयला हांगा 80ची 200 करता 50ची 250 करता म्हणजे चल्ला कितें प्लस ती पहिली 50 आली पळय पिकअप पण ती 200ची आता 200ची 250 केली तिचे परत ती पहिलीची आली तशी जावप आणि प्लस रोड आमचो सर्व्हिस रोड आहा तो आमकां तेंच्यांनी बंद करतले म्हाका दिसता ते फ्लायओव्हर जाल्या उपरांत ते बंद करपाचे आहा. ते आमकां हे प्रेशरान हाडून दवरून बंद करूंक सोदता. तो आमकां आमचो एक्झिस्टींग रोड जावो कित्याक 5 पंचायती जर भुरगे आमचे अशे सरावंडींग 7-8 किलोमिटर 14 किलोमिटर टोटल एक्स्ट्रा जाता. ह्या गव्हर्मेंट हे आमच्या भुरग्यांचे खंय तरी चिंतपाचे. एवरी टायम GMR सांगता तुम्ही तुमच्या गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन उलया. अरे गव्हर्मेंटाक जागो खंय दिला कोणी? गव्हर्मेंटान दिला मरे. फ्लायओव्हर केला गव्हर्मेंटान तेका दिला जागो. आमी करपाचें कितें भुरग्यांनी? एवरी टायम जॉब ना एका भुरग्याक आमच्या सारको शिकलेले भुरगे सारण मारपाचे कामां करता आणि वयले टॅक्सी बिझनेस आमी करता पळय तेतून सुद्दां हे राडे हाडटा. पुलीस पोस्ट हांगा इतको लायलेलो आहा जशें क्रिमिनल कोण येयलेलो आहा. आतां वचून इतको पुलीस पोस्ट नासता. थंय घर असं काय डेमोलिश जालेलं पळय थंय कोणी जर वचून पुलीस पोस्ट लावंक जालो तेन्ना थंय डेमोलिश जालें ते गोंयकाराचें घर ते दिल्लीकारान कोणी तरी जोशी म्हणून कोण ती तांकां तुमी पुलीस फोर्स लायना. आमच्या सारके वगीर रावता म्हणून सरावंडींग 5 भुरगे वगीर रावता म्हणून आनी अंडर एस्टिमेट करीत रावतले तुमी. हांव मागता गोंयच्या सीएमा कडेन हेचेर मातसो लक्ष घाल. व्हडलें कितें जावच्या पयलीं कितें आहा तें निभावन घ्या म्हणून सांगता.
Listen to what the Panem MLA said in response to the protest.
टॅक्सीकारांचो डिमांड कितें हेच्या पयलीं ताका म्हाका दिसता 8 दीस पयलीं आमच्या सीएमा कडेन घेवन गेल्लो. सीएमा कडेन तांकां तेंचे खुबशे डिमांड आहा. कित्याक जे पार्किंग डिमांड आहा तेंचो तेंकां आमच्या खुबशे गोश्टी आहा एअरपोर्टार स्थानीक भुरगे तांकां न्याय मेळना म्हणून ते हे करतात. ताका लागून ट्यूजडे पासून जे पळय तेंचे कितें प्रॉब्लम आहा पळय ते प्रॉब्लम ट्यूजडे पासून सॉल्व करतात. आनी तांकां ऑलरेडी आतां पार्किंग ते वाडयल्ले आसले पळय ते पार्किंग ते आसले पळय तशेंच दवरूंक लायला. आनी जेन्ना ते मंडे ट्यूजडे जेन्ना सीएमा कडेन मिटींग जातले तेंचे सगळे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जातले तेन्ना मागीर ते कितें आहा ते तेंचेर लायतले.
बाकीचे जे त्यांचे प्रश्न आसले पळय ते सॉर्ट आउट करतले.
सगळे कितें प्रॉब्लम आहा ते सीएमान सांगून सोडटा म्हणून सोडून दितलो तो. कित्याक तेणी ऑलरेडी सगळ्यांक आमच्या जी गव्हर्मेंट ऑथॉरिटी आहा पळय सगळे हाडून तेणी बसयल्ले आनी सगळ्यांक इंटिमेशन दिल्लें आसा तुमी ती एक्शन घेवची म्हणून. तो घेतलो कित्याक सीएमान खूब हे आसा कितें जे पळय भुरगे आमचे लोकल आहा तांकां खंय तरी न्याय मेळचो म्हणून तेकाय दिसता आनी तो करून दाखयतलो.
Sandeep Kamulkar, Manish Parab and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.
In a recent crackdown at the Mapsa interstate bus stand, the FDA seized multiple packages of paneer and other dairy products being transported into the state without proper labels or information. This raid follows closely on the heels of a similar operation last week, where FDA officials confiscated unlabeled masala packets. For more on this developing story, we turn to our reporter Nitiksha Gaonkar.
म्हापसा न्यू बस स्टँडाचेर आयज एफडीएन परत एक फावट रेड मारली. ज्यो बसीस हे फूड प्रॉडक्ट ट्रान्सपोर्ट करता अशा सगळ्या फूड प्रॉडक्ट्सांचेर आयज एफडीएन रेड मारिल्ली आसा. तितूर पनीर म्हण आनी खंयचे फ्रोझन आयटम्स ज्या पॅकेटांचेर प्रॉपर पद्दतीन लेबल ना अशे फूड आयटम्स आयज एफडीएन सीज केल्ले आसा आनी तेंची ही मोहीम अशीच फुडें चालू उरतली.
Today, in the early morning, a team led by Rajaram Patil, Senior Food Safety Officer, they came to the Margao bus stand, and last week also we had come here to check the food items that are being transported to the local travels, the interstate travels. So last week we had got some few items that were not being bought in proper condition, so we continued the surveillance drive, and today also we have found a huge quantity of milk item, paneer, which has been bought from the neighboring states. So upon investigation it is seen that this paneer is come without any label declarations, and also there is some curd which has a date of the next day, that is 3rd. So we have detained this stock, and since there are no labels we will be destroying it, and also samples have been drawn to analyze to check whether it is substandard and whether there is any possibility of addition any oil in the paneer. So that will also be done, and in a week or so the reports will be out. So besides paneer, we have found some other items also, like some fried onions which are being used in biryani, which have been bought without labels. So all these items have been confiscated, and we will be continuing this surveillance drive to ensure that all the transport chain is secured, to ensure that all the things are coming with the proper conditions and labels. So the surveillance drive will continue to make sure that all these gaps are tightened.
Nitiksha Gaonkar, Subhashish Govekar and Vaishnavi Salgokar for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the Lok Sabha on Tuesday during the motion of thanks on the President's address, highlighting the mandate received from the recent elections and reaffirming his government's stance against corruption. His speech faced interruptions from the opposition, particularly concerning the Manipur issue, which drew reprimand from Speaker Om Birla.
PM Modi emphasized his commitment to Viksit Bharat, outlining the government's agenda to move away from appeasement politics and focus on national development. Despite disruptions, he continued to deliver his address without interruption, stressing the transformative journey since 2014 and the restoration of confidence among the Indian populace.
आज दुनिया भर में भारत की साख बड़ी है। आज विश्व में भारत का गौरव हो रहा है और भारत के तरफ देखने का नजरिया भी एक गौरवपूर्ण नजरिया हर भारतवासी अनुभव करता है। मैं देशवासियों को विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि विकसित भारत के जिस संकल्प को लेकर के हम चले हैं, उस संकल्प की पूर्ति के लिए हम भरसक प्रयास करेंगे, पूरी निष्ठा से करेंगे, पूरी ईमानदारी से करेंगे और हमारा समय का पल पल और हमारे शरीर का कण कण हम देशवासियों को विकसित भारत के सपने को पूरा करने के लगाएंगे। हमारी तीसरी टर्म में इसका मतलब है हम 3 गुना स्पीड से काम करेंगे। हमारी तीसरी टर्म का मतलब है हम 3 गुना शक्ति लगाएंगे। हमारी तीसरी टर्म का मतलब है हम देशवासियों को 3 गुना परिणाम ला करके देंगे। 2014 के पहले देश ने जो सबसे बड़ा नुकसान भुगता था, जो सबसे बड़ी अमानत खोई थी, वो था देशवासियों का आत्मविश्वास। और जब विश्वास और आत्मविश्वास खो जाता है, तब उस व्यक्ति को, उस समाज को, देश को खड़ा होना मुश्किल हो जाता है। और उस समय सामान्य मानवी के मुंह से यही निकलता था कि वो इस देश का कुछ हो नहीं सकता। उस समय हर जगह पे ये 7 शब्द सुनाई देते थे, इस देश का कुछ नहीं हो सकता। यही शब्द 2014 के पहले सुनाई देते थे। भारतीयों की हताशा के इन 7 शब्द एक प्रकार से पहचान बन गए थे। उस समय आए दिन अखबार खोलते थे तो घोटालों की खबरें ही पढ़ने को मिलती थी। 24 के चुनाव में कांग्रेस के लिए भी इस देश की जनता ने जनादेश दिया है और इस देश की जनादेश है कि आप वहीं बैठिए, विपक्ष में ही बैठो और तर्क खत्म हो जाए तो चीखते रहो, चिल्लाते रहो।
Manish Parab and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.
2 more bodies have been recovered today following the drowning of 5 individuals, including 4 children, at a restricted waterfall near Bushi Dam in Lonavala. This brings the total number of recovered victims to 5. Here's more.
The bodies of a 9-year-old girl, Maria Akil Syed, and a 4-year-old boy, Adnan Sabahat Ansari, were found during an extensive rescue operation carried out by the rural police, INS Shivaji and the Shiv Durga Mitra Mandal. The tragedy unfolded on Sunday when nearly 19 members of the families of Liaquat Ansari and Yunus Khan from Hadapsar, Pune visited Lonavala for monsoon tourism. The group ventured to a restricted waterfall area approximately 2 kilometers from Bushi Dam, unaware of the impending danger. Initially, the water flow was manageable, but heavy rain caused a sudden increase in the waterfall's momentum, sweeping away 10 tourists around 3 p.m. Among the victims, 3 were recovered on Sunday: 13-year-old Amina Salman, her 8-year-old sister Umaira Salman, and 37-year-old Shahista Liaquat Ansari. The search resumed on Monday, leading to the discovery of Maria and Adnan's bodies. The authorities have stated that this area is under the jurisdiction of the Indian Railways and the Forest Department, marked with warning signs to indicate the restrictions for tourists. A meeting was held on Monday with officials from various government departments including the Railways, Forest Department, Pune Rural Police and the Lonavala Municipal Council to survey dangerous spots in the region. As a precautionary measure, the district collector plans to impose restrictions on visiting these locations, especially during the rainy season, to prevent future mishaps. Tourists will not be allowed to enter certain areas in Lonavala after 6 pm. Subhashish Kovekar and Bhakti Pai Balgi for Goa 365.
We will take another short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Skies have been mostly sunny over the state for the last couple of days, and we've only gotten 1 or 2 spells of rain a day since the weekend. This lull is likely to persist through the present week, but even so, IMD has issued a yellow alert for Goa until the weekend, warning that there is a chance of isolated spells of heavy rain with strong winds. Citizens are advised to travel with caution and to always keep an umbrella or a raincoat on hand when stepping out. Here's more on the weather forecast.
Because of this break in rainfall, it has gotten slightly warmer. Highs are back in the 30s and nighttime lows remain stable around 26 and 27. On Wednesday, we have the maximum and minimum forecast as 32 and 26 respectively. But with how humid the weather is currently, the real feel or ambient temperatures will be several degrees higher. Citizens need to make sure to keep up the intake of water and fluids to avoid the potential risks associated with higher temperatures like heat exhaustion and cramps. For now, the extended forecast suggests no improvement in the weather at least till this weekend. Yellow alert warning issued till 6th. Heavy showers with strong winds likely in coming days. Maximum and minimum temperatures on Wednesday 32 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius respectively. Boat owners to avoid venturing out to sea till 5th due to squally weather conditions. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. You can also follow us on Facebook and YouTube at Goa 365 TV. Until next time, take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.